Hey there, lovely people. Welcome back to Health and Wellness 101, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, I want to talk about something that's perfect for this beautiful spring weather: healthy springtime picnic ideas. Now, we all love picnics, right? But let's be honest, they usually involve unhealthy snacks and sugary drinks. Well, not anymore. I've got some delicious and nutritious recipes that will make your springtime picnics a hit. First up, we have a refreshing watermelon and feta salad. It's the perfect combination of sweet and savory, and it's packed with vitamins and minerals. Plus, it's super easy to make. Next, we have some homemade hummus with veggie sticks. Hummus is a great source of plant-based protein, and when paired with fresh veggies, it's a guilt-free snack that will keep you energized throughout the day. And finally, for a sweet treat, we have some homemade fruit popsicles. They're made with real fruit and no added sugars, so you can indulge without any guilt. So there you have it, some healthy springtime picnic ideas that are both delicious and nutritious. Give them a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Health and Wellness 101 for more amazing content. Stay healthy, my friends.